Hello guys, welcome back. So you might have seen my previous video about cleaning the nano planted aquarium. So after cleaning and after 1 week, we can see the nano planted aquarium here. There is lot of plant growth. I don't like these Sagittaria, they are growing very wildly, but I like this carpeting. That is Monte Carlo, I think, or what we call baby tear. You can also see some new plants I have added. These are the plants. This one. So in this video I will show you my grow out tank, discus grow out tank. So let's go. So this is my discus grow out tank. So these are all about 8 months old discus, but this one are only 6 months or 5 months. So the light damaged in this aquarium, you can see that this was the light and it damaged. So I bought a new one. This is a new one, but it does not fit in this aquarium. If you see that there are clamps, and in that aquarium there is nothing. So I have to take out this thing and make some arrangement to fix this kind of aquarium light. So let's do that. So I have taken out the upper lid and here it is. I will fix light in this. I have to remove the old parts first. Look at this grow out tank with the discus fish. This one is looking very good, and that one too. Firstly, I will remove all rusting types of screws and nuts and install non-rusting screws and nuts. I am going to paint and fix the aquarium lid as well, so I will sand down irregular shapes and dirty stain and make it more plain, and then I will paint it later. Meanwhile, I bought a aquarium light and found that it is very big for the grow out tank, but anyway, you can check it out. Here it is at the top, you can see here. So let's switch it on the grow out tank and how it looks. Look at this crazy thing. Now irregular shapes and dirty stains have been patched out. So I'm going to paint the lid and make it a new lid. I'm not painting the top part because it is already in good condition. So I'm using the paper and paint tape to cover up this area. So I'm painting rest of the area with white paint. You can use Krylon fusion paint that is safe for water and fishes, or you can also use ordinary white spray paint. Krylon fusion paints are very costly, by the way. Now this is the acrylic piece I cut out from an acrylic sheet. This will be the shape of the aquarium light holder. I have made holes as per the aquarium light clamp so that it can be fixed right in. Now it's time to bend the acrylic piece I have cut out so that it can be fixed into the aquarium lid properly. Make sure that the bend is at 90 degrees using some tools so that it could be fixed right into the aquarium lid. So this is the bent one part of the aquarium light holder. Now I have to bend the other piece as well in the same way but in the opposite direction. Now I have bent both of the aquarium light holder parts. Now it is time to fix it to the aquarium lid. So for my aquarium lid there are something that is coming in the place of this aquarium holder, so I have to cut out some parts so that it could be fixed right in. So now it is fixing properly into the aquarium lid. Now it is time to make holes for the screw so that it can be screwed tightly to the aquarium lid. So I'm marking out some points on the aquarium lid holder parts so that holes could be made to screw up the parts into the aquarium lid. Now we can easily attach the holder parts onto the aquarium lid. So here it is. Now the aquarium light with clamps could be easily attached to the aquarium lid. It is bit tight. I have made the holes bigger so that it gets little bit loosened up. Switched on the new aquarium light and it is looking good inside this aquarium lid. Also looking very neat and very modern type. What you say about this aquarium light holder? Comment it in the comment section please. Now one of the advantage of this kind of aquarium light is that you can change the color using a simple button. Okay, now we can remove the outer cover on the top of the aquarium lid and put it back in place. So here it is, the aquarium new light holder and the new aquarium light, and also a completely new aquarium lid. The aquarium light is not that strong, or maybe this aquarium light is very small for this aquarium, but anyway the fishes are looking good. But the discus fish are hiding out. I think they are feeling insecure with the new light. Anyway, they will get out after some time and I will show you the clip when they will loosen up. So when we change the color of the light, it is looking amazing in this aquarium. But white light is very good among all these. So you can see the light inside this aquarium lid. What you feel about this aquarium light holder and the new aquarium lid? Please give your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. So now the discus fish babies have come out from the hiding and they are looking very good inside this aquarium. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye and take care. And thanks for watching.